In James chapter 4, verse 7, it says, I have fought the good fight. I have finished the course. I have kept the faith. Ito po ay final instruction ni Paul kay Timothy, who is in prison in Rome, si Paul, ano po? And seeing that his end is almost near, sumulat siya kay Timothy. At sabi niya, I have fought the good fight of the faith. So, pinaglaban niya ang salita ng Diyos, ikinalat niya ang salita ng Diyos, at sabi niya, I have finished the course, I have kept the faith until the end. In the end po, Paul was executed in Rome through beheading. And Paul has contributed much in the New Testament, writing 13 letters, contributing 13 books in the New Testament. He has fought the good fight of the faith. Para sa atin, ano po yun? That there will be time we will be persecuted in our belief in the Lord. There will be time that we will be questioned about our faith in God. Yet, my encouragement is let us all stand firm until the end. Mahirap, yes. Times will be challenging, and we are now in the end times. Soon, there will be more challenging times ahead. And ito ay isang panawagan sa ating lahat na mananampalataya kay Jesus that we have to stand firm in our faith. There will be times that people will be persuaded dahil sa kahirapan ng buhay. There will be times that people will be persuaded to change their belief, their spiritual belief, because it is trending, because of persecution, because of so many things. And so the Lord is commanding us to stand firm in our faith. Stand firm, mga kapatid, because we know in the end we will gain the crown, the reward of eternal life. The word of the Lord for you today. God bless you.